Unreal Engine is hard. But what if it wasn't? What if you could use the engine to craft ideas no different than a comic artist putting pen to paper to create beautiful scenes and scenarios? Now, I don't know everything about Unreal Engine, but I have sifted through tons of resources to learn, and I've created this playlist to help you start your journey. You'll learn to easily use monthly free assets, quickly understand other YouTuber tutorials, and build your own demo projects. What if you and I could walk together and learn Unreal Engine? What if you and I could make Unreal Made Easy a reality? It's easy. Click the playlist to start. Click on the playlist. Let's make your dreams a reality. Hey, I see you're still here. So tell me, why are you still waiting here? Go ahead and click the playlist so we can continue and get our journey started. You're not alone. We'll walk this journey together.